Meet the mudskipper. Mudskippers are amphibious fish, meaning they can live both underwater and on land. They are known for their peculiar way of getting around on land. Using their pectoral fins as legs, they can walk, skip, and even climb mangrove roots and muddy surfaces. Mudskippers have specialized respiratory organs called branchial chambers. When on land, they can gulp air into these chambers, allowing them to survive out of the water for extended periods. These fish often create burrows in the mud, where they retreat during high tide or to escape extreme temperatures. These burrows provide protection from predators and help them conserve moisture when out of the water.